Edo Wonderland. The Edo Wonderland.
There are several ways to access Edo Wonderland. By train, you may disembark from the nearest station, which is Kinugawa Onsen Station, where they have a free shuttle bus service, or disembark at Nikko Station, where they also have a free shuttle bus service, which I did coming from Utsunomiya JR Station. And by car, it only takes around 2 hours and 20 minutes from Tokyo. I will be putting the link on the description box below. Please feel free to check it out.
So I'm here in Nikko right now, and I'm gonna take the free shuttle bus going to Edo Wonderland. Yeah, but it's gonna take 30 more minutes because the first bus will be at 10. This is the bus. It leaves at 10. I'm here now in front of the Nikko station, right there. And I'm still waiting for the bus. Still another 15 minutes. I tried to walk around, but I couldn't find a breakfast cafe. So maybe I'm wondering if I could eat somewhere in the Edo Wonderland. Hope so. I'm really excited to go if it wasn't so cold. It's so cold. I'm in front of the Edo Wonderland entrance now, and we're gonna go. Alright. This is the ticket. It costs... Okay. So the ticket costs 4,700 yen per adult. And I think for child it's 4,100. I'm not really sure. But
Obviously, I said that wrong. It's 2,400 per child.
I'll put it here. And here it is. Going inside Edo Wonderland. We're inside Edo Wonderland. This is like a pathway. Huh. It's as if nothing is here. Alright. We are entering the village. Honestly, I need the brochure. There's no signage. It's just Japanese. So I just came out from there. That is the kimono rental. And guess what? I'm dressed up as a Shinsengumi member. And I got a sword. Let's walk around. I came here alone. And these are the times I wish I had someone who could take my picture. There's a resting area here. I'm quite hungry, and look, there's a horse here. Horsey.
Next.
ね。はい、そう、ベアリング着物ピコ。
あげるように
Oh, you got it. Hit. Finish? I'll give you extra shot.
Extra shot.
Yeah. Oh, you got 2 hits. Is Ninja's knife.
Nice hit. One more. That's the one. Food. I smell food. I'm so hungry. Ah.
โทษนะครับเป็ดเอาซอสกับเกลือเอาอะไรดีครับ
เอาเกลือครับพ่อ
So we are here now at the cultural cinema, and let's go in. Oops, there's no one around
この
here.
世界に入ってきた方がいます。芸者を目指す市松さん。
They have a small river here, and it's full of fish. Look at that. Oh, wow. I'm super lucky today because there's not much people. Alright. I am here at the dojo, and I just registered for the class, Swordsmanship class, later at 1:15. So I just finished the swordsmanship class, and it was so cool. It was really nice. You should try it when you come here. Here in Edo Wonderland, they have several museums, and this firefighter museum is just one of them. It's like a maze here. Oh. So this is one of their museums here.
皆様にご覧いただ